Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I just got my mani box for April 2020 in the mail today, so I thought I would do an unboxing and share with you what's inside this box. So this week, this month, the theme is Dainty Wings, so I'm guessing it has something to do with butterflies, hence the picture there. So we're going to go ahead and open up and see what is inside the box. Alright, so we've got our card here. Like I said, the theme is Dainty Wings. And this is from Beautometry that this mani box comes from. So we're going to see what we got inside here. So let's see what this one here is. This actually came pretty quick this time. I was surprised. Normally, I guess maybe, yeah, no, it came pretty quick. Because I saw the shipping and then it came pretty quick, so. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is from Wiki Polish. And this one is Blue Monarch Nail Polish, and it's $12 American. So it's really nice. It's got like a hollow effect to it. Ooh, very nice. All right, let's see what else we've got in the box. Looks like another nail polish. I'm feeling if this has hit the bottle. Yeah. Because I always know from this paper. Because I never see it here. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Alright, so this one is hit the bottle and it said you get an assorted stamping polish, and these are $11 American on the site, and this one is called Espresso Martini. Just pop up the glue there and kind of look. It's kind of like a bronzy brown kind of color. So I don't have anything. I don't have a stamping color. I don't think this one. I don't think it's too close to Copper Hair Girl that I have from Hit the Bottle. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Oh no, it's a little bit different, I guess. Not, maybe this one's a little bit darker. Probably doesn't really look like it, but it's a little bit different. So there we go. And let's see what else we've got in here. A few more things. Alright, I finally got through that tissue paper. So first here we have is the iridescent effect sheet, and this is $2, and this is from Beautometry. Kind of looks like a nail foil, so it might be similar to that, but it looks really pretty, so I'm interested in trying that. So next up we have the Mother Nature plate from Muyu London, and this is number 18, which I feel like I already have this one. I think I got it in another My Mani box a while ago, but I might just throw it in the giveaway or something, I don't know. And then I got this lace one. This is a 04, also from Muyu London. Looks like a neat plate. But yeah, so that is everything that I got in this month's My Mani box. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.